So you may realise we're not actually at a theme park for once, we're actually at a house. It's going to be the start of adventures here in Theme Park Jake. So I'm going to just give you a quick house tour of an Airbnb we've rented out for the past few days. And let's just close the door, we're upstairs. Oh, close the door, there we go, done. Let's go upstairs. So we're coming upstairs. And here, there's Brew, there's Aaron and Molly.
To our home.
So right, before we go into the main room, this is mine and Bruce's room. It's like a little sofa bed, it's in its own room and everything. Yeah, in its own room. And Bruce's, ooh, what have we got here?
Some sweeties.
Sweets. Right, let's go into the main room. So this is like a little balcony. We've got the keys to store there and all that. So we've got all our mess in here. So let's start with the best room at all. Here we go. The toilet. Oh God, it stinks in here. Oh, Molly. Yeah, you keep saying that. Yeah, you keep saying that. That reeks. Well, let's actually go to the second bit. We'll go to the balcony.
Let me be.
Right, we can't shout on here, so we're just be quiet.
We can until 10 o'clock.
So this is the balcony. It's quite a nice balcony as well, isn't it? This is one of the nicest Airbnbs we've stayed in, isn't
Sit in
it?
a chair.
Yeah, chairs and all that. So yeah, quite nice. Oh, we've got a little shade and all that. Right, let's go back into the main room. Oh, you can see me in the window there.
Hello.
Oh God, that. So right, let's go to the sofa area. This is the Theme Park Jake headquarters area where we'll be basing, editing all our vlogs and this new video that I'm just about to make, that I'm making now. We've got telly. Where's the TV room? Let's watch some German TV. This is the best. Let's watch German TV. We love German TV, don't we? What's it turning on? Sharp. I think it's a sharp TV, Bruce. What do you think it is? Oh, let's go back to DTV. I don't know what content. Oh, here we go.
A different channel.
A different channel. Oh, I love German TV. It's so funny.
The actual area, then spending 20 minutes watching German.
But this is German TV, everybody. Come on. Oh, look at him. Right, let's turn off the German TV. So yeah, this is the Theme Park Jake base. This is where me and Bruce are going to be editing the vlogs together. You're going to learn how to make some vlogs. I'm going to teach you.
Got you, dude.
So we've got this nice table. The lovely lady who rented this house to us made some, what's it called? Croissants with Nutella inside. We've got a nice tray here with cacti and all that. Oh, don't get in the picture shot. Oh no, they're taking pictures. Here's a mirror, a really nice mirror with some magazines. Hello, how are you? Let's go inside here. I didn't film today, we went to Maastricht because we were really tired and we've done 5 countries today. So we tried to get to here really early so we could get a nice early sleep for tomorrow in Dusseldorf. Then Monday we're at Toverland. Oh no, Movie Park Germany. Tuesday we're at Toverland. Wednesday we've got a free day, I don't know what we're doing. Thursday we're at 3 Point Border. Friday we're at Wallaby, Belgium. And Saturday we're at a yurt. Right, we've got a wardrobe here with an iron. Okay, that's clever, cool. Nice. Then we've got a bed, and a nice bed.
Now follow us into the kitchen.
Here, right, we've got a nice table there. We've got a kitchen. Got a really nice kitchen. This is definitely one of the best things here. No, look, here it is. And all of that. Yay!
I think it's a bit sensitive because it's got alcohol.
No, it doesn't matter.
And hey, guys, do you want some sweets?
Oh, we've got sweets. We've got to give them sweets. We've got a coffee machine. This does look like a ice and water dispenser, but no, it's a coffee machine.
I know, it's amazing.
I never knew what this was until we got told. It's a steamer. I haven't got a clue what that is. Must be a German thing. Must be a German thing. Right, I've got to be careful because I've got it in my right hand, but the thing's on this side, so just got to be careful going up these stairs. So let's go up the stairs. So we'll go to the bathroom here. Oh, this is a nice bathroom, but it's very echoey. Lovely bath here. Lovely view out into Dusseldorf. I like the suburbs of Dusseldorf. A really nice toilet. That toilet is beautiful. I can't wait to have a poo in that. Hello. We've got a nice shower, a walk-in shower. I like walk-in showers. You can't even close it today. That's going to be fun. Right, we'll go into Molly and Aaron's room. Oh we go. We've got 2 beds.
taking
God, you've got a massive window.
We've been taking professional photo shoots.
Have you?
See them on Disney Molly 24 Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
And
funny.
TikTok.
Oh, funny. And then here's the... No. Well, let's open this window because it's like really dark in here. So this is is it? This is the main bedroom. It's quite a nice. It's really big in here, and there's loads of room and everything. What?
Animal first. Save the animals.
Yeah. Okay.
If you save the animals, call 0976
Yeah, I've got a clue what number you're saying.
4927 to donate £3 a month to the cheaters. They're in terrible need. Everybody pick up the phone for the cheaters. Do it for the cheaters.
Hey, she must love the cheaters. I think we've learned that.
Okay. And then the person with that number just gets received a lot of cards every month, and they're like, ooh.
Woohoo! I get his money. So yeah, we got all our suitcases. This is our accommodation. This will be. It will be like a little separate video for this house tour. Just gonna quickly show you around. This will be the TPJ headquarters for the next few days. Woo! Right, we'll a main vlog tomorrow in Dusseldorf. Depends how I feel. Then Monday, we're at Movie Park Germany. Finally gonna get on Star Trek Operation Enterprise.
Save the cheaters.
Yeah. Save the cheaters. Then Tuesday, finally gonna get on Troy and Phoenix. And then I'm finally gonna get on.
The penguin.
Okay, then we're going to finally get on Cycling to Ground. So we'll see you in the next video. So goodbye, everybody. We'll see you. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.